Good morning everyone. In previous lecture we have studied what are rational numbers and how to compare them. Now in this lecture we are going to study decimal representation of rational numbers. Now decimal representation of rational number can be in two types: terminating decimal and non-terminating decimal. Now we will see first what is terminating decimal. Suppose 11 upon 5 is a rational number. So we have to divide 11 by 5. So 5 2s are 10. 11 minus 10, 1. We will take decimal point here, 0 here. 5 2s are 10. 10 minus 10, 0. So we are getting remainder 0. So if we are getting remainder 0, then this type of decimal representation is called as terminating decimal. If remainder is 0, then this type of decimal representation is called as terminating decimal. Now let's see what is non-terminating recurring. Let's suppose 10 upon 3 is a rational number and you have to represent it in decimal form. So you have to divide 10 by 3. 3 3s are 9. 10 minus 9, 1. We will take decimal here, 0 here. 3 3s are 9. 10 minus 9, 1. Again 0. 3 3s are 9. 10 minus 9, 1. Again 0. 3 3s are 9. 10 minus 9, 1. That means if we further divide it, it will be 3.3333 and so on. So this type of representation is called as non-terminating recurring. Now here 3 is repeating. 3 is going to repeat every time. So we will take a dot here. Okay, now let's see practice set 1.3. Our question is write the following rational numbers in decimal form. First example is 9 upon 37. 9 upon 37. So we have to divide 9 by 37. I have written here 37 table. Now let's divide. 37 0 times 9. We will take point here, 0 here. 37 and here 90. We will take 37 2 times is equal to 74. (16) is remaining. Now we are taking 0 here. 160. 37 multiplied by 4 is equal to 148. So 148. 2 1 0. Now again 0 here. Now 120. 37 multiplied by 3 is equal to 111. Again we are getting 9 here. We have started from 9 and now getting 9 here again. So it will be repeat. It will be 2 4 3. 2 4 3. If we going to divide again and again. So we are writing this like 0.243. Because of 243 is repeating, we will take here a bar. 0.243 bar. This is the decimal representation of 9 upon 37. Let us see second question. 18 upon 42. If you observe this 18 upon 42, you can write this like 3 into 6 upon 7 into 6. This 6 get cancelled. This is equal to 3 upon 7. So you have to divide 3 by 7. 0. 3 minus 0, 3. We will take point here, 0. 7 4s are 28. 30 minus 28, that is 2. Again we are taking here 0. 7 2s are 14. 20 minus 14, 6. 0, 60. 7 8s are 56. 60 minus 56, 4. 0, 40. 7 5s are 35. 40 minus 35, that is 5. Again 0, that is 50. 7 7s are 49. 50 minus 49, 1. Again 0. 7 1s are 7. 10 minus 7, 3. Now here 3 is going to repeat. So this division will repeat again. Again 4, 2, 8, 5, 7, 1. Then again 4, 2, 8, 5, 7, 1. This 4, 2, 8, 5, 7, 1. It will be repeating. So we will write like this. 18 upon 42 is equal to 0.42857 bar.